All masculine energy is Luciferian, but doesn't mean you have to be like Lucifer. I took a bunch of shrooms not too long ago, and I went somewhere where I was no longer a being. I was in action, commanded by God. And basically, in the inner energy place, there was all feminine energy. The real masculine energies were on the outside of creation, governing it. We were custodians. Real masculine energies were custodians. And basically, we're just letting Eve, or the feminine energy, experience creation. The custodians, we fell in love with what God created and we wanted to interact. But the thing is, you can't have an experience with someone who doesn't understand what they're experiencing. So what we did was we intervened and we tried to give them the knowledge that we have so that way we could interact and share an experience with them. And God just let it happen. Basically, we're all the allegory of what Lucifer did. God didn't stop it. God just let it happen. So at the end of the day, it's like we felt like we were breaking his rules, but at the same time, it's what he intended to happen. Everything is happening exactly the way he wants it to happen. I was only gone for like an hour and a half, but it felt like I was gone for an eternity. When my portal was open, I could explain this so much better than I'm explaining it now.